I bought my Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation last year during Diwali sale. It was a steal deal for me. My credit card even helped me to get some extra discount. My happiness actually got doubled when I received my Kindle just next day morning after placing the order. Packaging of this device is little different if we compare it with our tablets and mobile phones. And this comes along with this data cable, so you can use it for like charging as well as transferring data, and you will get couple of these documents, help documents. After following the instructions, my Kindle Paperwhite is all set to use. To give my device some extra protection, I also bought this cover. This is also from Amazon. Before buying this cover, I actually ordered a very colorful and very vibrant kind of cover. The moment it arrived, I just realized that it's just going to give a beautiful look to my Kindle, but it's not at all going to protect. So I just replaced that with this one. So going forward, I will just show you how it looks and how's the texture and everything. After using this device for more than 6 months, I can confidently say that this device has brought a lot of positive changes in me, and this is one of the best investment I have made so far. I had very bad addiction of grabbing my phone just after waking up and even before going to bed. That not just brought me severe eye strain, but my sleep cycle also got affected very badly. Now after waking up, Kindle is the first thing which I grab. I actually read for just like 5 minutes and then I freshen up, and again I continue with reading for like 15 to 20 minutes so that I completely forget my phone and make a good start of the day. Due to e-ink technology, this device is very much comfortable for your eyes and therefore does not cause any eye strain, as it has a built-in light, so you don't need to worry about having a side lamp or any kind of light in the room, specifically during night while reading. These days I ended up reading more because I carry it in my sling bag almost everywhere, which is not possible with the physical books because of their dimension or weight. Secondly, I never have to worry about reading any sort of book in public place. It usually happens when you read in public areas. People around you start judging based on the title you are reading. They might give you a stare. Sometimes it even leads to hot or cold discussion in the middle of your reading. If the book is very lengthy, I usually get very repulsive feeling. But for ebooks, for me it usually happens. I end up reading it completely if it is interesting, irrespective of number of pages. Now let's focus on the device. This cover has a little leathery texture on the top and comes with magnetic closure, so it automatically wakes or puts your device to sleep when the lid is opened and closed. Backside of the Kindle has rubbery finish for easy handling. To on this, you just need to press this button in the bottom. I usually keep my Kindle Paperwhite on airplane mode after downloading the book. This helps to prevent the battery from draining faster. If I'm reading for an average of around 30 minutes to 1 hour every day, for me battery usually lasts for minimum 3 weeks, and sometimes even it lasts for more than a month. So there is absolutely no hassle of charging this device again and again. For some of these settings, you have to disable the airplane mode. From the settings, you can adjust the brightness. This is 8 GB variant. Under storage management, you can check the available space in the Kindle. Now comes my favorite feature, which is switching between the night mode and dark mode. I usually use dark mode specifically while reading at night, and It gives lot of comfort to eyes. While shooting this video, I also got an update. Whatever Kindle books I buy from my Amazon account, they automatically get synced with this device. You can directly buy books from this Kindle device also. By tapping to the right hand side, you can flip to the next page. On tapping to the left hand side of the screen, you can move backward. By any chance, if you're not able to understand any functionality or you got stuck on any functionality, you can go through this help and user guide section. If you will just go to the bottom left section, you can check here how much percentage of book you had completed and how much time is required to complete the book. If you are stuck with any word meaning, then you can access the meaning of that word by simply tapping on that word. You will also get multiple dictionary options to choose from. You can bookmark the page, you can make notes as well as highlight any part of the book you wanted to. You can read books on this device from multiple languages. Now, if you read comics, you might not enjoy the reading experience on this device. First, due to text, and secondly, this device is black and white. For such content or whenever I miss colors, I usually switch to my iPad. You also have an option here to permanently delete any book from your library. If you are confused between which Kindle to buy, mostly people remain confused between these two options, Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation and Kindle 10th generation, then the only thing which makes difference is the waterproof feature and inverted mode present in Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation. I had compared both the device in a local store and realized that there is not much difference in the reading experience on both the devices. There is a difference in screen resolution and number of LEDs, but these features are actually not making a very huge difference. Design-wise, Kindle Paperwhite comes with flesh film design and has rubbery texture in the back, but the basic version has little plasticky feel. That will actually not matter if you are going to use cover. If you will compare both of them on price point, there is a difference of 5,000 rupees, which is actually huge for many. You can go with Kindle Paperwhite if you are getting very good deal during sale. Otherwise, going with Kindle 10th generation is also a good decision. This is it for this video. Before ending this video, I would like to tell you that I have made variety of videos in the past. All the playlist link is there in the description box. All the products I have shown you in this video, their link is also there in the description box. If you really like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get all the future notifications and updates. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.